Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Enlightening, text 46 of chapter 10. Bhagavatam is the answer to all questions of second canto, the cosmic manifestation of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 46. Ayam tu brahmanah kalpah savikalpa udarutah vidhiha sadharano yatra sargah prakruta vaikrutah. This process of creation and annihilation described in summary herein is the regulative principle during the duration of Brahma's one day. It is also the regulative principle in the creation of Mahat, in which the material nature is dispersed. There are three different types of creation called Mahakalpa, Vikalpa, and Kalpa. In the Mahakalpa, the Lord assumed the first Purusha incarnation as Kananodakshay Vishnu with all the potencies of the Mahat Tattva and the 16 principles of creative matter and instruments. The creative instruments are 11, the ingredients are 5, and all of them are products of Mahat or materialistic ego. These creations by the Lord in his feature of Karanodakshay Vishnu are called Mahakalpa. The creation of Brahma and dispersion of the material ingredients are called Vikalpa. And the creation by Brahma in each day of his life is called Kalpa. Therefore, each day of Brahma is called a Kalpa, and there are 30 Kalpas in terms of Brahma's days. This is also confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita 8.17 as follows. Sahasra Yuga Paryantam Aharyada Brahmano Viduha Ratim Yuga Sahasrantam Te Ahoratra Vido Janaha. In the upper planetary system, the duration of one complete day and night is equal to one complete year of this earth. This is accepted even by the modern scientists and attested by the astronauts. Similarly, in the region of still higher planetary systems, the duration of day and night is still greater than in the heavenly planets. The 4 yugas are calculated in terms of the heavenly calendars and accordingly are 12,000 years in terms of the heavenly planets. This is called a Divya Yuga, and 1,000 Divya Yugas make one day of Brahma. The creation during the day of Brahma is called Kalpa, and the creation of Brahma is called Vikalpa. When Vikalpas are made possible by the breathing of Mahavishnu, this is called a Mahakalpa. There are regular and systematic cycles of Mahakalpas, Vikalpas, and Kalpas. In answer to Maharaj Parikshit's question about them, Shukdev Goswami answered in the Prabhas Khanda of the Skanda Puran. They are as follows. Prathamaha Shweta Kalpasha cha Dvitiyo Neela Lohitaha Vamadevas Tritiyastu Tato Gathantaro Aparaha Rauravaha Panchamaha Proktaha Sasthaha Prana iti Smrutaha Saptamo Atha Bhrutta Kalpaha Kandarpo Astama Uchyate Sadyoth Navamah Kalpa Ishano Dashamah Smrutah Dhyana Ekadashah Proktas Tato Sarasvato Aparah Trayodashah Udanasatu Garudo Atha Chaturdashah Kauramah Panchadasho Jneyah Pauranamasi Prajapateha Shodasha Narsimhastu Samadhistu Tato Aparah Agneyo Vishnujah Saurah Somakalpas Tato Aparah Dvavimsho Bhavanah Proktah Supuman iti Chaparah Vaikunthasha Charshti Sasa Tadavada Valikalpa Tato Aparah Saptavimsho Atha Vairajo Gauri Kalpasa Tathaparah Maheshwaras Tatha Proktas Tripuro Yatra Ghatitah Pitrukalpas तथा छान्ते यह कुहुर ब्रह्मणः Smruta. Therefore, the 30 kalpas of Brahma are: first, Shvetakalpa; second, Nila Lohitaha; third, Vamdev; fourth, Gathantara; fifth, Raurava; sixth, Prana; seventh, Bhrutakalpa; eighth, Kandarpa; ninth, Sadyotha; 10th, Ishana; 11th, Dhyana; 12th, Sarasvata; 13th, Udana; 14th, Vaikuntha; 15th, Garuda; 16th, Narasimha; 17th, Samadhis; 18th, Agneyo; 19th, Vishnujah; 20th, Saura; 21, Somakalpa; 22nd, Bhavanah; 23rd, Supuma; 24th, Kaurma; 25th, Archi Sa; 26th, Valikalpa; 27th, Vairaja; 28th, Gauri Kalpa; 29th, Maheshwara; 30th, Paitra Kalpa. These are Brahma's days only, and he has to live months and years up to 100. So we can just imagine how many creations there are in kalpas only. Then again, there are vikalpas which are generated by the breathing of Mahavishnu as stated in the Brahma Samhita. Yas yaika nishvasita kalam athavalambya jivanti loma vilaja jagat andanathaha. The Brahmas live only during the breathing period of Mahavishnu. So the exhaling and inhaling of Vishnu are Mahakalpas, and all these are due to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. For no one else is the master of all creations. Hari Krishna.